And it's looking like I'm the queen of the coast right now. There are a lot of things you can do with your money, guys. This thing is so difficult though. Can't even lie to you. Hey YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Janelle right here. I know it's been like 3 weeks I posted a video last, but I'm here to do a sit down story time video while I install my hair for the first time. I've watched a lot of videos on how to install your hair, but I'm going to be trying it today. I am going to be trying it. And this story, right, is about how I lost my investment as an undergraduate. Oh no, as a graduate of, I think 3 years, or 4 years after graduating from the university. I worked my ass out. I worked and worked and worked and lost it. All right here in Nigeria, investment companies. If you'd like to find out how I lost my investment, guys, please do not skip this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and please wait till the end of the video. I'm going to go straight into installing my hair. This is the hair I'm going to be using today. Oh, this hair is oh my goodness, you see this hair? This is another story I'm going to be doing for you guys. Oh my Jesus, oh my goodness, guys, I've had my shares of ups and downs, times when there were no one around. God came and spoke his word to me. Praise will confuse the enemy. Okay, guys, I'm going to be installing this hair, right? It's actually from someone, but yeah, I bought it. I'm going to be telling you guys. If you are interested in that video, please comment. But I'm going to be telling you guys. I'm going to lay my hair backwards. Okay. Okay, so story time begins, guys. That was how, I don't know if it would be so right to mention the name of the names, because they're actually two, the names of these investment companies. But if you want to ask me about them, you can just send me a message on my Instagram. Right? Not like I'm scared of them, but I just don't want to spoil people's name. I like the way my edges are looking. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to wear this. Oh, okay. I think I should braid this first. So that was how I worked for 2 years. I was actually saving my money, you guys. I was saving my money until I got to hear about this investment from a very close friend. Okay, so let's say the first investment is, okay, I'll just say the first letter. Let's say the first investment is C. Starts with C. So it was from a friend. I called the friend and I'm like, I've saved some amount of money, some reasonable amount of money, right? And yeah, I sell perfumes, I do other businesses, I sell slippers, men footwear, and a lot of businesses I do. The hustle is real, right? So, but I was saving money in the bank. Well, I didn't really like it. I was also saving on Piggy Vest. If you've never heard of Piggy Vest, it's an app where you can save your money. They give you accounts that you can put your money and then just save. So I'm going to be wearing this, guys. Right, so in the video I watched, they're sprayed over this cap like this to save my hairline. So I've got this little scissors, so I'm just going to spray before cutting. Omo, I like to just spray small all these things that people I'm a beginner, okay? The way people just spray this thing, and then you see it doing shh. I'm like, you know, they enter your eyes. Guys, okay, so I've got that in. This thing, will it gum? It's doing as if it's not gum. Well, I'm going to cut it. So that's how I started though with C, investment C. He told me that, oh, they're really good, they've been in existence for 10 years and all that. I'm like, okay, that sounds nice. It sounds like where I'd like to put my money. So tell me all about them and then give me somebody's contacts to call so I'll know what's going on, right? So he gave me contact, and then I contacted somebody that works for C, investment C, and then she told me they are into real estate. They are also into haulage and the rest. I investigated. They were registered under a lot of legal places. Fast forward to the second investment. This thing is not going, no, guys. Oh, I think it's going. Fast forward to the second investment, right? This second one, I got to hear from church. And then they said they're also into real estate. They even have some buildings, and they even have a pharmacy to their name, oh guys, to their name, in this Abuja. They are based in this Abuja, right? So, and then I usually see the guy in church. Oh, nice. It's all gluey. So I used to see the guy in church, oh, just like that. I was like, okay, this is nice. They used to call him philanthropist. So I say, nice, that's okay. If this thing is going to get me like some amount of money at the end of the month, or maybe at the end of the year, like annually, then it's not that bad. So that was how I invested. For the first investment, it was a lot of money. For the first investment, just like that. Okay, for the first one, they were paying 2.2%. 2.2% as return for every month. So that was good, right? It wasn't that high like all these ones. They'll tell you invest this and you get 100% or 70% or 50% and all that. I thought that, okay, the risk is very low, right? I agreed to do. For the second one, it's a little high because it's about 6.5%, not annually, I mean monthly. It enter your eyes, Abi, enter my eyes those days, sha. Well, I said, okay, I was going to do it for just a year and stop because I didn't want to leave my money in the bank. right? So I can't believe I'm doing this thing, no, guys. Okay, so yeah, you guys know got to be. I'm so sorry. I use this. It's the smallest spray I got, and then this is called Ghost Bond. When I went to the store to get I wanted to get got to be glue, the other gluey one, but they said the guys recommended this one, Ghost Bond, this small one. So I'm going to be using this just in front right here. So this thing, right, this thing is here because I have my hairline up to this point. Okay, guys, yeah, so I don't want this glue to take my hairline. Okay, fam. That was how, just like that, one morning they just sent a message that they're so sorry that this is happening right now. We are in this together, Yagazi, this and that God is going to help us, that investments that we put, that they've put it on hold. I say, what is going on? They put it on hold, and I've just done like 6 months. I've not even finished my first this thing. I've been getting my ROI, right? But I've not really gotten back what I invested. So I'm like, it's gonna be hot. It's gonna be hot. I was all angry and pissed off because I invested all my money, you guys. I was just left with money that I know that okay, I could fend off because I was still working at the time, right? I was scared. I was just praying, God, please, this should just be a dream. And then, okay, even if it's just not a dream, right? Father, Lord, let it be that these people will go on hold and come back, right? They'll come back in the mighty name of Jesus. I put all my hope in God until they started moving us up and down, shifting us, saying different things. I was like, it doesn't look like this thing is going to come again. Till this point I'm talking. That was how investment C left with people's money worth 3-point-something billion naira. A lot of people fainted. A lot of families were going to shrines. I can see, I'm laughing about this right now. I couldn't laugh about this at the time. I couldn't laugh about this. It was so depressing because when this investment C crashed, when it went down, when the second investment crashed, just 2 months after, the second investment went down too. And they were just battling. And guess what? The both of them are related though. The first investment and the second investment. It was later I was now knowing that the second investment B, learned under investment C. And I'm not even sure they are both in the country right now because a lot of people are after their lives. There are so many unforgiving people. But how can you even rid people of their money? How? Why? Just how? Why? Okay, so I'm going to put this now. I hope this installs properly. No, guys. please and please and please, instead of investing in businesses in Nigeria, I feel like you should just invest it in your own business, something that you know that you can. You are the one in charge of everything. You are overseeing everything that is going on. You are overseeing it. You are overseeing everything. If you know you want to have peace of mind in this country, Nigeria, I feel I'm supposed to let this thing dry properly, because I don't understand what's going on. It's getting white on me. Don't worry about the mess, guys. Don't worry about the mess. This is my first time installing this. So I'm going to just tie this and wait for it to be firm. Then we can continue with our story. I was speaking to an investor some weeks back, and I was telling her that it's really vital to educate people when they're trying to invest, especially in Nigeria, because there are a lot of fraudsters after your money. They do not want to work, but they want to have your money, guys. Everybody just wants to cheat you and go scot-free. But Allah will not merciful them. Oh my goodness. Okay, I don't know why this is not coming forward again. But yeah, I can do it this way. Just hold it firm. First, I'll take a portion of this so I can lay my edges. Just a little. Guys, if you are installing your hair for the first time, you have to be very careful with the whole glue thing. This glue is not anybody's method. Especially this one I'm using. It is very strong. This is the first time I'm using it, and my hands are gluey. I think I want to pack this hair backwards, so might be having a little more of hair right in front here. Sorry guys, I'm looking this way because my mirror is somewhere around here. I'm not looking in the camera. I have to see what I'm doing before I go do rubbish. Okay guys, if you're having it in mind to go and invest in any company that, okay, you're saying, because you know the family, you know the person that's in charge and the rest, my dear sister and brothers, back off. Don't continue. Okay, don't continue. Run backwards. All right, so I've got that right there. Before I don't mind my own procedure, okay, I'm just doing it the way I can do it right now to save myself. So I'm going to go in with my scissors. Okay, this part is where you have to be careful, but something amazes me, right? All these content creators, when they are trying to do installation videos, why do all their wigs have this net? Must it be a new wig you used to install to teach people installation? Why are you doing that, my sister? Why are you doing that, my brother? Why? Okay, so let me go. Let me do that. Before you do that, for you not to spoil your hair, divide it into portions so that it won't be so bad if anything happens. Okay. Guys, this thing is so difficult to, can't even lie to you. It's difficult, but the way they are charging us to install here right now, you have to be able to do something fire safe. So I learned that if you are going in with this one, right, you have to go zigzag, 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 so that it will look realistic. Okay, I'm going to tilt forward because I need to see what I'm doing. Thank God I made it. I'm doing it, guys. I'm doing it. Yeah, girl is doing it. Although I can see some residue of this thing in front here, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to take that out very soon. It's gonna go out. It's gonna go out. It's gonna go out. It's gonna go out. Oh, okay. So I think I'm just going to take this as a professional as a professional thing. I've never even gone anywhere. I'm taking it as a professional thing already. Okay, guys, sorry I had to go off to check this thing properly. If not, I did not understand what it was doing again. I had to go and cut it properly. So I think I'm done installing, and I'm not done installing. No. I'm done cutting those laces, right? I'm done cutting, so I'm going to take this off so I can style the hair. Okay. There are a lot of things you can do with your money, guys. A whole lot of things. If you can even check online for these things. So I'm going to tell you guys some mistakes I made in this video while installing this hair. Maybe because I was talking so much, or I don't know, but okay, I'm going to just slantly cut this so I can use it for my baby hair. Yep. And those videos I used to watch, they used to just, they do this, they just do this. But I'm going to try it and see if it works though. Let me slightly cut this too. I see some people install their hair, right? And at the end of the day, I see that there's white thing. There's this white thing here, and I'm like, this girl, your eyes closed when you. I'm sorry, my auntie. I'm sorry. This thing is getting hot already. I'm sorry, my fine sister. Okay? I'm sorry because my own is doing like that too now. Maybe because it's my first time, I don't know. This is so nice. I don't know if I'm the only one that gets scared of stretching my hair. So I have nothing to use in front other than this Eco Styler. Let me try using it. I hope it works. I hope it works. I'm not somebody that can do this thing very well. I beg, nobody should come for me. Baby hairs. Say what? I don't really understand what I'm doing again, but it is well. Hey, until you do something, you will now know that people that have been doing it, that you have been yabbing them, you will know that they aren't your mates. They aren't what? I think the baby hair is so long. Let me take this up. I want it to look like my hair. I don't know how cute this is, but it's not. Is that coming as it should come? Hey God, my dear sisters and brethren, if you cannot install your hair, I think you should what you should do is visit a professional. Okay, I keep saying this when something does not end well for me. Understand, this lane that I'm laying is looking like I'm the queen of the coasts right now. If any of you have ever lost your investment, please comment and let me know your story. Okay, but in this Nigeria, the yakpa, them are plenty. Let me see if this fixes this white thingy. I hope it fixes it. Okay, so I'm going to take this off and see. Hey. Okay guys, well, let me style this hair because at this point here I've learned a lot, and I can't even believe I'm doing my first installation on video for you guys. But I think for first installation, not that bad. So this hair is a kinky straight hair. It's a kinky straight hair, and it's okay. I like it. But the video of this hair is going to be coming up shortly. It's a very funny story, but yeah, this is what it looks like, guys. I think I'm liking the way I installed it, but there are some things I learned, and the next time I'm going to be installing this hair is going to be more, it's going to be better than this. This is my first installation in life. Okay, first ever installation, and I've learned something. You see this glue? This got to be glue. It's really good. If you use it after doing your baby hair, it don't move. It don't move. It's just there. It doesn't move. I don't know why, but I'm going to make my baby hair shorter the next time I'm doing this. I'm going to still do an installation video on this channel with this. It could be with this hair or maybe another hair, because this is my first frontal hair. Right, thank you so much for watching this video until the end. If you watched this video to this time, please comment first installation. Okay, let me come a little closer. It doesn't look so clean, but I think it's something you can use